So here we're going to look at the equation of a line. And this is the standard form of a line written as ax plus by is equal to c. And in this equation, we're used to seeing lines where they're y equals. So I actually want to solve this equation for y. So to solve this equation for y, let's rewrite it again so you can see it. Ax plus by is equal to c. And we're going to isolate the y variable here. We're going to isolate y. So we have to undo everything that's by it. And I'm always going to start off by undoing addition or subtraction first. So here I can see that I'm adding this ax term to that term there. So the first thing I'm going to do is undo the addition of ax by the subtraction of ax on both sides. And when I do that, I get these cancel. by is equal to c minus ax. Again, I still want to get this y by itself. So notice you're multiplying. You're going to do addition of, you're going to undo the multiplication or division that's taking place. And we have multiplication. So to undo that multiplication, I'm going to divide by the term in the front of it, which is just the b. So I'm going to divide this by b. I'm going to divide this side by b. And when I do that, b's are going to cancel. And I get y is equal to c minus ax divided by b as a final answer. And notice this, now your y variable is isolated, and here's what it equals.